Hi, I'm Kieran, Sergeant.
Hi, I'm Joel, Sergeant.
And today we'll be teaching you about
Maps and compasses.
Ding!
Man, we're lost.
Wait, that's a map and a compass.
Oh,
Wow.
hi again. First thing I'm going to teach you is the parts of the compass.
Oh, hi. You see, this is a compass needle.
The compass needle is a magnetized needle that points to the north.
Alright, bye.
Alright, next. This is the compass housing or compass vial.
The compass housing or vial is a transparent plastic case that encloses and protects the magnetic needle. Marked inside the housing are lines called the north-south orienting lines, with an arrow in the center called the north orienting arrow. The housing also has degree marking, and it can be rotated.
Thank you.
Hi. Okay, and this is a base plate right here.
The base plate is a rectangular piece that is attached to the first two parts. The markings on the side enables it to be used as a ruler when measuring map distances. The line at the top is known as the direction of travel line, and the point where the arrow meets a black line which reads read bearing here is known as the bearing indicator. Unfortunately, on this compass it does not show this.
Hey, that's not how you use the compass. Always put on the harness so as to not drop the compass. And whenever you want to find your bearings or use the compass, make sure you put it on a flat surface like your hand. Ding! Hey, I don't know how to read the bearings on this thing.
Hey, I also don't know. I think we need help.
Eh? We still don't know how to read
Yeah.
I think we need more help.
Hi, I'm Sergeant Samuel Lu. I'm here to help you with your compass bearing. Let's go. Alright, so first step, find a landmark. For example, you see that tree over there? Let's take that as your landmark. To align your compass, just take this compass and point it directly to your tree using this line over here. You can see this line? Yeah. Align this, point this line towards the tree, as shown. Now, make sure that this north is aligned with this line. So you just turn it. Now it's aligned with the north. Now, to find your bearing, turn this housing and align this arrow with your compass needle. Now, read this bearing over here. So, for example, in this case, it's 324. Your bearing is 324 degrees. And that's how you find your bearing. Thank you. Thank you. I hope that was helpful.
Wow, now I know how to use the compass.
Hey, same. Now I know how. It's quite easy actually.
3, 2, 1, ding! Now that you know how to read the compass, we'll be moving on to the
Maps.
boom!
Wrong side.
Sorry. Boom!
Alright, so welcome to map reading. So first things first, whenever you get a map like this, always take your compass and put it down on the map. Why? This is to set the map. Basically what setting the map is you align the north of this compass to the north of this map. So how you do it? See all these lines is over here, all these lines, and you see these lines inside. Okay, first things first, make sure that this is aligned to your north. Alright, so now it's aligned to your north. Then all these lines align with this line of the map. Simply by placing it down and aligning it. Now, you see that this arrow, it's not aligned with this arrow over here. What do? Well, simply help the map. Now it is aligned, and now this map is set. Alright, so there will come a point in time when you need to find your bearings using the map. So how do you do that? It's almost like finding a bearing when you have a landmark and you're in the surroundings, but to find the bearing on the map, it's pretty much the same. First, take this compass and point it to where your point want to be. For example, you want this point and you want to take the bearing from here, just point it to it. Now, turn this compass housing until it's aligned with the compass needle, and then just read off the number over here. For example, over here. Let me get that in focus. Alright, so you just read off the number here. For example, in this case, it's 73 degrees. And that's how you find your bearing. Alright, welcome to a bit of geography. So how do you read a map? First things first, there's 3 kinds of map readings. 1, 4-digit MGR, 2, 6-digit MGR, and 3, 8-digit MGRs like this. But this is rarely used. So what we commonly use in PB is 6-digit MGRs. So what are 6-digit MGRs? Well, for example, it's 274481. Don't ignore this 4 and the 2. This is known as your 6-digit MGR. Right. So what are all these numbers then? Well, these numbers correspond to your eastings. So what are eastings? All these vertical lines that run from left to right of your map, and you can see all these numbers. Yep, these numbers correspond to these numbers. The next part is your noddings, and these are your horizontal lines that run from the bottom to the top of the map. Always read your eastings first, then your noddings. Let's start with a simple map reading. Let's find 2748. So where's 2748? Remember, this corresponds to your eastings, this corresponds to your noddings. So let's find 27. 27 is right here. Then we move down and we find your 48. So it's right over here. So 2748, the point is right over here. And that's how you find a 4-digit map reading. Let's go for a more complicated map reading. So where is 275485? Well, let's find out. So where is 27 over in the map? It's right here. So this 27, and now we just move down to where 48 is. 48 is right here. So your box that you need to find the thing in is this box over here. Now, how do you deal with 6-digit MGRs? First things first, see this ruler over here in your map, on your compass? Use it to your advantage. This is very helpful. First things first, place and align the ruler with the box. Now that it's aligned, it divides this square into 10 equal parts. Now to find 275, you find the middle of all these, which is right here. So this is 275. Now move over to your 48. Similarly, align it and find where your center is, and this is 485. So now, with you know where it is, you can just move and move. So now this is where your 275485 is, which is basically the center of the box. Alright, So,
Can we get another pen?
when you're reading your maps, there's three norths that you need to know. Your magnetic north, your grid north, and your true north. Let's start with your magnetic north. Magnetic north is where your compass arrow points to, or compass needle. Grid north is where your maps, all these nodings point to. And true north is where your North Pole is located. I hope you found this video informative and helpful.
Thank you. Staff Sergeant Samuel Chan.
Sergeant Samuel Wu.
Remember to like
And subscribe. Sergeant Kieran Ho.
Sergeant Joel Sim.
Ding! We must 3, 2, 1, then we start.
We need help.
No!
I don't know I think we need help.
Throw properly! How do you read the bearings on this thing?
I don't know I think we need help. Eh?
Still don't know
Yeah, I think we need even more help.
Hello there. Hi.
Wait, why do you laugh? Why do we do that again? No, don't put it fast.
Why you filming? You film me.